We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with the most comprehensive and unbiased look at the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy, also known as the Triangle Cube Box by Samisolar. If you own this item, please leave your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. The Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy by Samisolar is a uniquely crafted puzzle toy designed for a wide range of users, from children to adults, and even those seeking stress relief or tools for managing ADHD. This puzzle is marketed as a cool gadget and a thoughtful gift for occasions like Christmas, office events, or simply for home and school use. With a compact size of 2 inches on each side and a weight of just over 5 ounces, it is both portable and substantial, giving it a premium feel that stands out among similar products. One of the most notable features of this puzzle is its construction. Users consistently praise the solid feel and smooth finish of the metal, noting that it has no rough edges and is pleasant to handle. The craftsmanship is described as exceptional, with perfectly flat sides and no visible gaps when assembled correctly. The metal has a beautiful sheen, making it visually appealing and suitable for display as a decorative object or paperweight. This aesthetic quality is frequently mentioned by reviewers who appreciate both its look and tactile experience. Functionally, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy offers a challenging and engaging experience. Many users report that the puzzle is difficult to solve at first, with the disassembly process being particularly tricky. The puzzle appears at first glance to be a solid piece of metal, often in the shape of a pyramid or cube, with no obvious seams or openings. This design adds to the intrigue and makes the initial steps of the puzzle especially satisfying for those who enjoy a mental challenge. Some users mention that the solution may be found accidentally by those who like to fidget, but for most, it requires careful observation and persistence. Once disassembled, the puzzle presents a second challenge, reassembly. This step is often described as even more difficult than taking the puzzle apart. The pieces are intentionally asymmetrical and have tight tolerances, so they must be oriented in a specific way to fit together seamlessly. If not aligned correctly, noticeable gaps will appear, preventing proper assembly. Some reviewers note that the final step involves inserting 2 small gold components simultaneously, adding an extra layer of complexity and surprise to the experience. A unique aspect of this puzzle is the hidden internal cavity. This compartment is ideal for hiding small surprises, such as a gift receipt, note, or other meaningful items. Several users have used the puzzle in creative ways, such as concealing a special message or small gift inside, which adds an interactive and personal element to gift giving. The hidden compartment is seen as a delightful bonus that enhances the overall value of the puzzle. In terms of difficulty, the puzzle is generally rated as intermediate, with most users giving it a challenge rating of 7 or 8 out of 10. It is not so difficult as to be frustrating, but it does require patience, attention to detail, and sometimes even the use of a tool like a flathead screwdriver to unlock its secrets. The sense of accomplishment upon solving the puzzle is frequently highlighted by reviewers, who enjoy the mental stimulation and satisfaction it provides. The puzzle is also marketed as a fidget toy and stress relief tool, particularly for adults and teens. Its weight and smoothness make it pleasant to hold and manipulate, offering a tactile distraction during moments of stress or boredom. However, some users caution that it may be too heavy or challenging for younger children, and that it is best suited for older kids, teens, and adults who appreciate puzzles and brain teasers. Despite its many strengths, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy is not without its drawbacks. One of the most common criticisms is that once the puzzle has been solved and reassembled, it can become somewhat flimsy. Some users report that the pieces do not stay together securely after repeated assembly and disassembly, and that even a slight jostle or sneeze can cause it to fall apart. This issue detracts from its usefulness as a fidget toy for some, as it requires careful handling to remain intact. Another point of contention is the difficulty level. While many enjoy the challenge, a few users find the puzzle either too easy once the solution is known, or too difficult to be enjoyable for casual use. There is also mention of the need for a tool to solve the puzzle, which may not appeal to everyone. Additionally, the puzzle's weight, while giving it a premium feel, makes it less suitable for very young children or those looking for a lightweight fidget option. The puzzle's versatility is one of its standout features. It serves multiple purposes: a challenging brain teaser, a stress relief tool, a decorative object, and a creative gift box. Its compact size allows it to fit easily on a desk, making it a great conversation starter or office accessory. The hidden compartment adds a layer of functionality that is not commonly found in similar products, making it a unique choice for those looking to combine entertainment with practicality. In terms of build quality, the puzzle receives high marks for its durability and attention to detail. The metal construction ensures that it will last a long time, and the smooth finish makes it comfortable to handle. The design is both clever and aesthetically pleasing, with intentional asymmetry that challenges the user while also contributing to its visual appeal. The tight tolerances require careful observation and precision, rewarding those who take the time to study the puzzle and approach it methodically. The Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy is also well suited for gifting. Its attractive appearance and unique functionality make it a memorable present for puzzle enthusiasts, office workers, students, and anyone who enjoys a mental challenge. The hidden compartment allows for personalized touches, such as hiding a note or a small gift inside, which adds an element of surprise and delight to the unboxing experience. The puzzle is recommended for ages 3 and up, but based on user feedback, it is best suited for older children, teens, and adults. Customer reviews are generally positive, with an average rating of 4 out of 5 stars across multiple platforms. Users appreciate the puzzle's craftsmanship, challenge level, and versatility. The most common compliments include its solid feel, smooth finish, clever design, and the added fun of the hidden compartment. The main criticisms focus on the puzzle's tendency to become loose after repeated use and its weight, which may limit its appeal as a fidget toy for some users. In summary, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy by Samisolar is a well-crafted and engaging puzzle that offers a satisfying mental challenge and a unique gifting experience. Its solid metal construction, smooth finish, and clever design set it apart from other puzzles on the market. The hidden compartment adds an extra layer of fun and creativity, making it more than just a brain teaser. While it may not be ideal for very young children or those seeking a lightweight fidget toy, it excels as a decorative object, conversation piece, and thoughtful gift for puzzle lovers and office workers alike. If you are looking for a puzzle that combines aesthetics, challenge, and functionality, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy is a strong contender. It is best suited for those who enjoy problem solving and appreciate quality craftsmanship. The intermediate difficulty level ensures that it provides a rewarding experience without being overly frustrating. The hidden compartment offers opportunities for creative use, making it a versatile addition to any desk, home, or gift collection. We encourage anyone who owns this puzzle to leave a review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. Your feedback is valuable and helps build a community of informed buyers. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. Whether you are a puzzle enthusiast, a gift giver, or someone looking for a unique desk accessory, the Metal Puzzles Brain Teaser 3D toy offers a blend of challenge, beauty, and functionality that is hard to match. Its strengths far outweigh its minor drawbacks, and it stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of well-designed brain teasers.